Hey my friends, this is Daniel Alley, and today I want to talk with you about how to prepare for the next Great Recession. In this video, I want to explain to you what you need to do in order to prepare for the turbulent times that are about to come. Now, if you ever lived in a recession, you know how hard it can be. You understand the heartbreak. You understand the job loss. You understand how the economy is greatly affected. And if you're young and you never dealt with a recession, then that's okay. But if you plan to live for the next 50 years and a recession comes, you can come back to this video and know that you have every tool that you need in order to succeed. I want to share with you exactly the mindset that you need to have in order to prepare for the person that you need to be. So please listen up. In order to prepare for a recession or depression, you have to have a long-term perspective. There's so many people that just live day to day, week to week at the most. But very few people can think month to month or even year to year. And even rare amounts of people can think decade to decade. Now, if you know that you can think so far and beyond, then you need to prepare even more. But if you can only think from paycheck to paycheck, or from vacation to vacation, then you need to understand that you need to change your way of thinking in order to change your way of living. If you were planning for a vacation and it happened to get shut down because of coronavirus, or if you wanted to attend an event that is now canceled or postponed, now you know that it's time to make some changes. And if you're fortunate enough to watch this video, then you know that there's no better time to prepare but now. There's so many people that are going to waste their hours and days and weeks away as they wait in fear and despair. They're trying to be careful. They're worried. They're facing doubts. They're living anxiously. But my friends, I want you to live in faith. I want you to let go of all the fears. I want you to let go of all the despairs. I want you to let go of the demons that have been holding you back from achieving your goals. Now I know we can't go out and about and shake hands and meet a whole bunch of people. But what you can do is focus on the opportunities that you have right now. What you need to be doing is your research. You need to be reading the books. You need to be setting your goals. You need to be journaling, writing deep letters to yourself, to God, to your future, and understand the mindset that you need to have in order to prepare for the future. You see, you cannot have big trees unless you plant new seeds. A lot of times people expect the trees, but they don't plant any seeds. You see, a lot of people want big trees. They want a big forest. They want to see all these trees lined up, millions of dollars. They want a fortune, but they don't plant any seeds. This is the best time to start planting. This is the best time to take action. This is the best time to start a business or a side hustle, or to get your freelancing going so you can start to make a little bit more money on the side, so you can save up, so you can invest, so you can eventually build an empire if that's what you want. But even if that's not what you want, at least you could put some money away, a few $1,000s here and there. At least you could start building some assets. At least you could start building a legacy and helping your family in the long run. You see, my friends, that's what really matters in life. What kind of seeds are you planting right now? I can guarantee you that there's billions of people that are not planting their seeds right now. And people talk about competition. Oh, competition. So hard. So hard to make it happen. It's so hard to take action. I feel stuck. I'm in my house. I'm quarantined. But my friends, look, you can easily plant seeds right within your house. You can easily plant seeds right within your family. You can easily work harder on yourself than you do on anything else. You can do your push-ups. You can read your books. You can set your goals right within your home. No one can stop you from doing it. No authority is watching over you, telling you that you can't do it. You have every opportunity right now to prepare for anything that can ever happen in the future, no matter how bad it gets. So my friends, that's my message for you today. If you receive this message, make sure to type yes in the comment section below. If you like this message and you want to share it with the world, make sure to do it. Share it with everyone you know. Guys, this is Daniel Alley. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit that notification button And make sure to follow me on all the other social medias. I have so much more that I want to share with you, so much more that I can say about so many things. Guys, keep supporting each other. Keep living for God. Keep understanding that you have everything you need in order to succeed. And I promise you, we will break through. I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care.